So guys, if you're wondering how to find the best crypto pre-sales before they blow up, this is the video for you. Stay tuned to check out everything. And hello guys, and welcome back to this channel guys, where guys today I'll be showing you and giving you a full guide on how to find the best crypto pre-sales before they explode in 2025. If you want to be early on next big project, this video is for you. So guys, before this video starts, I just want to tell you that I'm not your financial advisor and that you should make your own decisions before investing into a project. Now guys, what a pre-sale actually is and why it's where the biggest gains happen. So pre-sale is an early funding stage of crypto project where tokens are sold, of course, before public listing. So prices are usually the lowest, and then this is where the biggest gains happen: 10x, 20x, even 100x in some past cycles. In 2023 to 2024, we saw projects like Meme Combat, Launchpad XYZ, and a bunch of AI tokens explode before launch. 2025 is shaping up to be even bigger. AI plus gaming plus SocialFi are on fire. So guys, here we are on CoinMarketCap. So CMC or CoinMarketCap has a dedicated page for upcoming pre-sales. You can check the team info, funding goals, and tokenomics, and white papers. So you have the link here. So just go and check out this, of course, link here, CoinMarketCap.com, to check everything out. So guys, Launchpads, of course, filter projects, run KYC audits, and usually offer more security than random pre-sale websites. But of course, the best ones for that are Binance Launchpad. We have the DAO Maker, Pollcaster. We have the Certify, Gamify Launchpad. These platforms have bought some huge winners in previous cycles. Also, you can do it through crypto of influencers and Twitter or X. So early alpha is always on Twitter. If you want to be early, follow the accounts like Crypto Man, Altcoin Dalio. You can go and follow 0x Miles Duster and Tech Lead. They often talk about promising pre-sales way before they are, of course, and they become mainstream. You can guys also go and watch what crypto VCs are investing in. You can check, of course, portfolios from big names like Panthera Capital, Atomic Brands, Multicoin Capital. If strong VC money is behind a pre-sale, the chances of success are much higher. Of course, you can do it through Discord and Telegram alpha groups. So some of the earliest pre-sales links come from private communities like Crypto Hub, Alpha Calls, and Crypto Gems. These are where early investors share opportunities days before they hit major platforms. And guys, how to know if a pre-sale is legit? Well, if it has a white paper plus clear use case. If you can't explain what project does in 30 seconds, walk away, of course. We have the DOXX ETH team. No real team, no LinkedIn, huge red flag, keep that in mind. Also contract audits, look for audits like Certic or solid proof. If they don't have them, then probably it is fake. Reasonable soft hard cap if they're trying to raise unrealistic amounts, if it's usually a cash grab. Healthy tokenomics, you want team token, of course, that locked vesting periods and no insane founder allocation. If founder gets 40% immediately, that's a scam waiting to happen, so keep that in mind. And of course, if you're thinking what are the best pre-sale categories for 2025, well, they are AI tokens, still the strongest narrative going into 2025. Web3 gaming, historically the biggest multiple in, of course, markets. SocialFi, of course, friend tech style platforms as still gaining steam. And DPIN, so decentralized physical infrastructure like Helium, growing fast. So guys, pre-sales can give insane returns, but they also carry the highest risk. Never invest money you can afford to lose, and always do your own research. If you want a follow-up video where I review the top 2025 pre-sale projects, let me know in the comments. That will be everything for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it, of course. Don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.